Hi dear CA intermediate students, warm greetings. For many of the students, accounting is the most preferred scoring paper in both the groups of CA intermediate. To score exemption plus mark in any subject, it requires continuous practice and deep conceptual clarity. So I invite you all to Indian Institute of Commerce Lakshya Calicut for the upcoming accounting crash classes going to happen from Feb 1st to Feb 7 and advanced accounting classes going to happen from Feb 28 to March 6. In the session, we will be covering all concepts and all major questions from study material, revision test papers, past examination questions and mock test papers. I assure and am confident by the end of these sessions, you will change your attitude and perspective towards this subject and you will be made confident come exam ready. So friends, let's do it together.